guys, and I am back with some more Little Big Planet. And dude, I only have one arm, okay? Check this video out for yourself. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have fun. Let's get food. Joking. Why would I do? This is me, by the way. Let's see how much Sonic.
I'm gonna be the prop.
Okay. So there's him and okay, I have been released. Could you please give me a clue if you're watching this video? Please watch this video, and I think I'll end it here. Bye everybody.